Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a super fun video for you guys today. If you are new here, I'm Christina and I'm a mom of 5 kids ages 1, 2, 5, almost 6, 10, and 13. I'm really excited to share this with you guys because I had not heard of Knowledge Crates before. Knowledge Crates reached out to me and this video is in partnership with them. They sent me this super fun looking box full of learning activities and they wanted me to give you my true honest opinion. So that is what I intend to do. I am going to unbox these things and show you what's in here. I have literally no idea what's in here. If you're interested in seeing what is in the Knowledge Crate, just stay tuned. So as usual, I have my scissors. As you can see, I have truly not opened this up, guys. So I am going to do that right along with you. So I love the super fun packaging. I love like these cute, fun boxes that just get you excited when you see them. All right, let's open it up. All right, Knowledge Crate. Let's see what's in here. It's a kind of a heavy box, guys. All right, so we have this little thank you note, a little American flag, so that's kind of fun. All right, ooh, this comes with an activity guide. I did not know that there was an activity guide. I thought it was just the actual activities. So this looks fun. We hope you enjoyed this kit as much as we did creating it for you. Let's get started. Talks about who they are, what's included. Each page will have 6 things to help you through the activities, learning goals, what we need so you know what materials to collect, our process. So that's the instructions, questions to ask, conversation starters, extension activity, which will show how you can keep the learning going, and learning goals. Where do we begin? So then there are codes for what the activities touch on, so the different topics or subjects. Whoa, so fun. This looks like this is going to be more hands-on things, building a rocking robin. Can't wait to see what this looks like. Crabby roll and cover. Exploring sun paper. That looks super fun. Counting fish. Hot air balloon. This sounds really fun, guys. Magic milk. Marble art. Printing summer words. Read with me. There's a lot of stuff in here. Seahorse wood magnets. That looks fun. Summer I Spy. Summer Play-Doh. There is so much stuff in here, guys. This is really exciting. Endless summer snow. Summer yoga. That is right up my alley. I love doing yoga with the kids. Sunscreen art. That sounds fun. Textured project paper. Watermelon sensory beads. That sounds really cool. And then it introduces the fall kit, which will come out in September. So I'm already excited. And I did not know there were books in here, guys. So that alone is exciting to me. So on the first day of summer vacation, oh, this looks so fun. I cannot wait to read this with my kids, you guys. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait. So fun. Rainbow fish. This is one of our favorite books. And this looks like this is not original rainbow fish. This is rainbow. You guys, this is 2. I got confused for a second and thought it was messed up. Okay, this is 2 more rainbow fish stories. I am so excited. So on this side of the book, you get Rainbow Fish to the Rescue, And on this side, you get goodnight little rainbow fish. Guys, I am super pumped about this. The Good Egg. Oh my goodness. I have seen this book and I've always like thought to get it and then forgot about it. I am so excited. Oh my goodness. The Good Egg. This is like really funny and fun. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. The kids are going to love this. I cannot wait. Oh my goodness, look at the little summer yoga book. Are you kidding me? Ugh. I am a boat. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is perfect for summer morning basket. Like, no way. Oh my God, I love this. I love this. I am so excited. How fun is that? Oh my gosh, my kids are going to love this stuff, you guys. And I love how like, I can already tell that there's going to be like different things that they're going to love for different ages. So here are Play-Doh accessories. I absolutely love that I'm gonna be able to do a little Play-Doh sensory bin. Like, so excited. I can't even get over it. Like this is more than I was expecting, guys. Robin pieces. So this is making like a rocking toy. That's super fun. Bonus art materials. That's fun. Oh my gosh, my kids are gonna love this. Seahorse magnets. So I'm thinking we paint these. Hot air balloons. Same thing. Sun print paper. Watercolor paper. So these go along with the different activities in the booklet. Comes with the Play-Doh, which I'm kind of pumped about. I thought by the look of it, you had to make the Play-Doh, so kind of excited about that. So these must go with one of the activities and these as well. So it looks like it comes with almost everything that you need. Oh my gosh, you guys. These are like right on time, okay, you guys? I shared on stories the other day the addition and subtraction pads that I got from Target that you fill in your own problems. And I was thinking like, I need to get some dice. I don't know where the dice are. And these would be so fun to roll and for her to be able to put the numbers on those pads and do the addition or subtraction. So I don't know what these are for. They're for something in here, but I'll also be using these, I already know, with those addition and subtraction pads from Target Dollar Spot. Ooh, we have some sidewalk chalk. This one's broken, but not a big deal. That looks super fun. We have some paint. You guys, this box is amazing. I used to not like think much of subscription boxes, but that is totally changing. There's a whole bunch more materials in here. This is craziness. Like, I don't even know how we're gonna have time for all this, but it has been so rainy and this is going to be amazing. Krabby Roll and Cover. So this is for one of the games. Summer I Spy. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. This is so cool. Counting Fish. I love that all of this stuff is already prepped. Oh my goodness, I did not know that they had all this. This is going to be like dry erase tracing of the months of the summer. This is unbelievable, you guys. This goes so well with stuff I already wanted to do and extends it in so many ways that like I did not have prepared. This is unbelievable. So tracing all of these words to the different sea creatures. You guys, this is amazing. So here's the textured paper for one of the activities. And then here is the sunscreen paper. You guys, that is everything, but I'm genuinely blown away. Like, we need to talk about this. Guys, I'm genuinely blown away. I was not expecting all of this stuff in this box. Like, this is not a huge box. It's like, this is the size of a shoebox pretty much. And I don't even know how they fit all of that in there, but it is like all of the crafts and learning activities probably that you would need for the entire summer. Like, it is legit. So this is the summer preschool crate. So many of the activities are geared towards ages 3 to 5. So I'll be doing them mostly with my 2.5 and 5-year-old. And they were really my target focus for the summer anyway, in terms of like pouring a lot of my energy into them as far as learning and activities go, because throughout the school year, my older kids kind of took the priority in that regard. So I'm super excited. I know that my older kids will jump in and have fun with the littler ones anyway. And so I'm really curious to see what the school age box is like. I'm hoping I can get my hands on one of those, and if I do, I will certainly share that with you as well. You can get these as a single purchase. You can purchase the seasonal box for that season. You can do a quarterly subscription, or you can do an annual subscription. So I cannot wait to try some of these activities with my kids. I will be jumping in right away starting this week. I cannot wait to start doing it. I can tell you that in New York, it has been very rainy so far this summer, so I'm hoping that changes. But if it doesn't, if you've been following me on stories over on Instagram, I've literally been saying, I'm gonna share with you guys what I've been doing on these perpetual rainy days and share with me your favorites. And now I have so many more things for us to do. It's already prepared. I already have all of the materials. I have the instructions, and I just love that. I have a baby, an 18-month-old. I have a toddler who's 2.5, and I have 3 other kids. So it's not always easy to gather all the supplies that we need and plan something out. And so I absolutely love that this took so much of the work out of it for me. Thank you so much, Knowledge Crate, for partnering with me on this video. Guys, Knowledge Crate is giving you guys 15% off of any subscriptions using the code ROOTED15. Thank you so much, Knowledge Crate, for that. I will put the link to Knowledge Crate as well as that code in the description box below so that you can try this out for yourself. I feel like winter would be an amazing time to have this box as well. When you're cooped up more than usual in the house and you're thinking of things to do and it gets dark early, I know I'm super interested to see what would be in that winter box as well. So let me know, have you tried Knowledge Crate before? Have you heard of it? Let me know down below. If you are new here, introduce yourself. I love getting to know you guys. If you're not already following me over on Instagram, definitely come follow me at rooted_homeschool. I share lots of day-to-day like life and family and homeschooling and learning and all of those things. And I will be definitely sharing on stories and reels these activities as we do them from Knowledge Crate. So if you want to see them in action, if you're still not quite sure if this is for you and you want to see some of these things in action, definitely check us out over there in the next few weeks, and throughout the summer we will be definitely jumping into these activities. So if you're not already subscribed, I would love if you'd stick around, click that red subscribe button, hit the notifications bell so that you know when we have a new video coming out. I have lots of more fun content coming your way. I do day in the lives, I do curriculum unboxing and Amazon hauls and get it done with me videos, all of the things. So if any of that sounds like something that might interest you, I would love for you to stick around. I hope to see you in one of my next videos, and until next time, stay rooted.